We are pleased to show you the 2024 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, rear step bumper, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.